Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you can make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the ultimate 3D printer showdown between two titans of the industry, the AnkerMake M5C and the Creality K1C. We've got speed, we've got precision, and we've got enough tech jargon to make your head spin. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk price. The AnkerMake M5C comes in at a wallet-friendly $399. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is a bit more of a splurge at $699. Reviewers love the affordability of the AnkerMake M5C, making it a great entry-level choice. Meanwhile, some reviewers feel the Creality K1C's higher price is justified by its advanced features and build quality. So if budget is a concern, AnkerMake M5C has the edge here. Now speed. The AnkerMake M5C can zip along at 500 millimeters per second thanks to its Power Boost 2.0 technology. Impressive, right? Well, Creality K1C just said, "Hold my beer," and cranked it up to 600 millimeters per second with a Core XY system. That's like going from a speedy cheetah to a caffeinated roadrunner. Reviewers of the AnkerMake M5C appreciate its quick printing speeds, but those who tried the Creality K1C are blown away by its even faster performance. If you need your 3D prints faster than you need your morning coffee, Creality might be your pick. Precision, baby! The AnkerMake M5C boasts 0.1 millimeters precision and even has a precision mode that supports up to 50 micrometers resolution with a 0.2 millimeters nozzle. That's right, folks. It's like printing with a laser pointer. Meanwhile, Creality K1C isn't just twiddling its thumbs. It maintains high-quality prints even at breakneck speeds. Plus, its tri-metal unicorn nozzle ensures it prints like a dream. Reviewers of the AnkerMake M5C love its high-quality prints, but some have noted issues at higher speeds. Creality K1C users, on the other hand, are thrilled with its consistent, high-quality output. Ease of use is next. AnkerMake M5C lets you control everything from your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can print, monitor, and transfer sliced models without lifting more than a finger. It's like having a personal 3D printing butler. Creality K1C, however, has hands-free auto-calibration and an AI camera that keeps an eye on your print job. It's like having a Terminator for a babysitter. Efficient and a little bit scary. Reviewers find the AnkerMake M5C's app and slicer very user-friendly, while Creality K1C users appreciate its auto-calibration and monitoring features. Material compatibility is crucial. The AnkerMake M5C can handle PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even PLACF, carbon fiber. That's a pretty versatile lineup. But Creality K1C one-ups it with support for high-temp and wear-resistant filaments, like PLACF, PACF, PETCF, and ASA. If you're planning on printing something to survive the apocalypse, Creality's got your back. Reviewers appreciate the AnkerMake M5C's versatility, but those using the Creality K1C rave about its ability to handle tougher materials. Extra features, anyone? AnkerMake M5C has 49-point automatic bed leveling and power/filament outage recovery. Plus, its PEI flexible magnetic plate makes removing prints as easy as pie. The Creality K1C, though, comes with an air purification system and a silent mode that brings the noise level down to 45 decibels. It's like printing in a library, minus the shushing librarian. Reviewers love the convenience features of the AnkerMake M5C, But Creality K1C's extra features like air purification and silent mode are highly praised. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and high-quality prints, though some users note issues at higher speeds and occasional hardware problems. The Creality K1C receives mixed reviews, with some users experiencing initial quality control issues but ultimately praising its advanced features and fast performance. Both printers have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs and preferences. So there you have it, smart buyers. The AnkerMake M5C is your go-to for affordability and ease of use, while the Creality K1C is a speed demon with a plethora of high-end features. Which one tickles your fancy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic product showdowns. Until next time, stay smart and happy buying. Product links are in the description.